Today we are going to talk about unlike fractions. So as I had discussed in the LCM class, if you remember, I said that the trick to find the LCM would help us in adding or subtracting unlike fractions. So today we'll concentrate our energies on addition of unlike fractions, right? So in the unlike fractions, the denominator is not the same. So let's try adding these two sums as examples. One by 3 plus 2 by 9. So you see 3 and 9 are not equal. So what should I do? I should first try to find the LCM of 3 and 9. So I will use the common division method. Take the prime factor. 3 1s are 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. Right? So 3 1s are 3 and this one comes down. So LCM is 3 into 3. So LCM is 9. Now you can write here as a step LCM is equal to 9 so that you don't forget. Alright, when you're doing your work, you can show this step. After this, what you have to do is you have to take this 1 by 3 here plus 2 by 9 here again. But since the LCM was 9, so if I have to make 9 in 9, I will just multiply it by 1. 9 into 1 is 9. And the same number with which I multiply the denominator, I will also multiply the numerator. Please remember this. I repeat, the same number with which I multiply the denominator, I also multiply the numerator. So 2 into 1. Yes? Now see. To make 3 or 9, I have to multiply it by 3. So 3 into 3. Since I multiplied this 3 by 3, I also will multiply 1 by 3. Yes? Let's put an equal to. Now, what is common? 3 3s are 9 and 9 1s are 9. So 9 is common. So it comes out as 9. Yes? Now, 1 into 3 is how much? 3. And 2 into 1 is how much? 2. So, what is the fraction I get? I get 5 over 9 as my answer. Right? So this is how you do it. Yes? Let's take the other one. 3 over 7 plus 4 over 21. So again the same thing, finding the LCM of 7 and 21. Take 7. 1s are 7. 7 3s are 21. 3 1s are 3 and this one comes down. So LCM would be 7 into 3 is 21. Right? So LCM is equal to 21. Now, next step, 3 by 7 plus 4 by 21. So just multiply it by 1 because LCM is 21 and multiply this also by 1. Same number multiplies the numerator as well. Now 7 how many times 21? 3 times. 3 how many times 21? No, we don't have to make it 21, but we have to multiply it by the same number with which we are multiplying the denominator. So 3. So what do I get? What is common in the denominator? 21 is common. 3 into 3 is 9 and 4 into 1 is 4. So what's my answer? 13 over 21. So this is my answer. Now, if you look at both these sums, both these problems over here, First step was finding the LCM, then figuring out how the denominator would become equal to the LCM, and multiplying the numerator also by the same number by which you multiply the denominator. Add the numbers and your answer comes, right? So this is how we solve the addition of unlike fractions. But remember, this does not end over here. Sometimes it might happen that you might get unlike fractions which result in an improper fraction as an answer, right? So we will try and look at improper fractions in our next video and how to convert them into mixed numbers, right? So that is what we are going to do. Now, since I spoke about improper fractions, let me tell you, this is a proper fraction. This is a proper fraction. Why? Because here the numerator is smaller than the denominator. The same here, it's also a proper fraction. So, my next video will talk about proper, improper fractions, mixed numbers. Thank you very much.